isn't it? It's really not the places to go. It's really, I cannot also, I cannot also let photo. Even in the Philippines, I'm already also boring if I don't go out. Huh? For you, if you like it. You really like the cut in the Philippines, huh? Even he don't go out. Even he will stay only there in Madao.
Because it feels like home. Like in Arizona, you can cook, you can bake, you can go whatever you do. You can go later on the bed if you want, you can go TV. If you want to go out, you go out. Go shopping, you can do anything. Then it's okay, I can stay 2 or 3 weeks, I don't care. Because I have this, all the comfort from home.
Next time I will try the champion sauce. Huh? The champion soup.
So I only go one time. The one I do, not.
And that I will have quickly front in my wine bloated. How will take this?
Good.
Thank you. Oh, that's already. Very fast. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. I like it.
Really? Really? Wow. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. A little bit better than this one. What is this actually? Yogurt? Why is this a pan of... Oh, I thought because they always put that. I thought...
That's with cucumber and garlic.
Oh,
That's it.
I always think Why do you always put that?
It's fresh the tape because it's yogurt, sour, plus the cold from the cucumber and a little bit dry. That's all it is.
I think that is good, especially like a mayonnaise from them.
Sauce.
It's happening.
Finish fresh cooking.
So much. You want it? You want it, Mother?
Drink it.
Finish.
What do you need? This one is your spoon should be there.
I like this. It's very healthy. Actually, I don't eat it this. Come on.
Je wil het niet koos zo.
Okay.
Dus het is like donut.
Oh, yeah. Nothing, no? Okay. Okay. I like this plate because it's not too big. No? It's a portion. I really wanted to. You can see it. You can up there. And then in times you can see it. Frozen. Frozen.
England is not safe. Holland is not safe. You cut fresh because it's cold water.
Mm.
You cannot only migrate in cold water. Niet te gewoon.